Today we have the Wowstick lithium screwdriver. It's a wireless auto dual screwdriver powered by a rechargeable lithium battery. It also uses USB Type-C connection for charging, and it also comes with 36 bits and bullet bit storage as well. So let's get it open and check it out. Before we get started, I'd like to show you the Wowstick Mini. I bought this a while back and I liked it so much that I got the bigger version here. But this is the Wowstick Mini, and it comes here and it has pretty much a lot of the same features. It's just not as big as the other Wowstick that I'm about to unbox. It uses micro USB charging, and it comes with these 3-bit storage containers here, and it has this nice carrying case as well. But we're going to put this up for now, and I'm going to show you the new Wowstick that I got, and we'll get back to this one later. Here are the 2 bullet bit storage containers that come with the Wowstick. You can see here on the bottom of the Wowstick, you have your on and off switch, and you can also see here the USB-C charging port. Here is the USB Type-C power cord that it comes with. And here is the adhesive anti-slip cloth. Here we have the 36 alloy steel bits that come with the screwdriver. Since this is my first time charging it, I'm going to let it charge for a few hours, and it's USB-C, so you can plug it in either way. There's an LED on the bottom of the screwdriver. When you plug in the charger, it will turn red, and when the charging is complete, it will turn green. The Wowstick works as a hand-powered screwdriver as well. If the battery dies, you can still use it as a screwdriver. Now back to the Wowstick Mini, it comes with this nice stand here that you can put it on. It's weighted and it keeps it in place so you can keep it right on your desk. So the Wowstick and the Wowstick Mini, both good screwdrivers here, wireless. Now one difference with the Mini is that it uses micro USB charging and it doesn't have the on and off switch, so it just powers right on.